Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to convert 3MF files to STL format, and just as importantly, how to make sure the resulting STL is ready for inspection or 3D printing. Once you open MeshInspector, you'll start on the Home tab. Click Open Files, then in the Select Files window click Browse, locate your 3MF file, and double-click it or click Upload. After loading the file, take a look at the scene. As you can see, this 3MF model contains multiple objects, a group made of two meshes, and a separate pyramid mesh. The model also includes color information, which is supported by the 3MF format. Before exporting to STL, it's important to understand how this structure will affect the result. STL files store geometry only. They do not support colors, materials, or hierarchical object structures. This means, each exported STL represents a single mesh. Multiple objects must be combined if you want them exported as one STL. Let's start with the simplest case. Select the standalone object in the scene tree. Click Export. Choose STL from the list. And click Save. That's all you need when exporting a single object. Now let's export the more complex part of the model. Here, two objects are already organized inside a group. To export them as a single STL mesh, we first need to combine them. Select all objects in the group, including the group node itself. Right-click and choose Combine Subtree. You now have one combined object consisting of multiple elements. This is what will become a single STL file. If your objects are not already grouped, you can first select them, right-click, choose Group, and then use the same Combine Subtree operation. Before exporting, it's a good idea to visually inspect the combined mesh. You can rotate the view by holding the left mouse button, zoom using the mouse wheel, pan by holding the right mouse button, tilt the view by holding Control and dragging with the left mouse button. This helps verify orientation, overall shape, and potential issues before export. With the combined object selected, click Export, choose STL, and click Save. To verify the result, we'll remove the original objects and load the exported STL file. As expected, the STL contains no color information. This is a limitation of the STL format, not an error in conversion. Next, let's verify the size of the STL file. Go to the Inspect tab and select Bounding Box. This displays the object's dimensions. If you need to adjust the scale, go to Transform and use the Scale slider. As you adjust the value, you'll see the dimensions and volume update in real time. Once you're satisfied, confirm the change by clicking the checkbox. For 3D printing and manufacturing, clean geometry is essential. During 3MF to STL conversion, issues such as holes, self-intersections, or non-manifold edges can appear, even if the model looks fine visually. These problems often lead to slicing errors or failed prints. To check and fix these issues, go to the Mesh Repair tab and click Mesh Healer. MeshInspector will analyze the model and identify major mesh defects. You can choose which types of issues to scan for. Then click Repair selected to fix them. You can repeat this process multiple times, adjusting the settings as needed, until the mesh is ready. As a final step, let's perform a quick inspection. Go to Inspect and select Measure Distance. Click any 2 points on the mesh to measure the distance between them. You'll also see the distances along the X, Y, and Z axis. This is useful for verifying critical dimensions before manufacturing or printing. That's the complete workflow for converting a 3MF file to STL in MeshInspector, from preparing objects and exporting, to validating scale and repairing mesh geometry. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more MeshInspector guides and workflows.